To change the PIN on a NatWest credit card, a card reader specifically designed for this purpose is required. Begin by inserting the credit card into the card reader, which will open up the menu. Navigate through the menu by continuing to press until the Change PIN option appears. The next step involves entering the old PIN, confirming it, and pressing OK to save. Then, create a new PIN, confirm it, and save it by pressing OK. The new PIN will be effective immediately and can be verified by using the credit card to make a payment. If an error message is displayed on the card reader, the process may need to be repeated until a PIN changed message appears. Alternatively, assistance can be obtained by contacting the service provider using the phone number printed on the physical card, explaining the issue encountered while trying to change the PIN, and following the provided instructions.